Welcome to DreamCollege.ai, your AI-powered college admissions co-pilot. In this quick video, I'll walk you through everything you need to get started. Getting started is easy. Just click Start Free Trial on our homepage. No credit card needed. You'll be taken to the sign-up screen, where you have two easy options to sign up. Log in with Google for a seamless one-click experience, or fill in your information manually. Begin by entering your first name, last name, and email address. Then click Send Code. You'll receive a verification code in your inbox. Enter it here to verify your email. After your code is confirmed, go ahead and create a secure password, then re-enter it to confirm. Once everything is filled out, click the blue Sign Up button and you're in. Welcome to your free trial plan. After signing up, you'll land on your personal dashboard, the starting point of your DreamCollege.ai journey. First, select your role: student, parent or guardian, or counselor. If you're a student, select Student, enter your phone number, and click Save. At the top, you'll see the key tools that guide your journey, from profile assessment and major matching to college lists, scholarships, essay tutor, and more. To get started, just click the purple Build Profile button. This is where everything begins. The more complete your profile, the more accurate and personalized your recommendations will be. Now it's time to complete your profile. This step unlocks smarter recommendations for your major, colleges, activities, and scholarships. You'll start with your basic information. Enter your first and last name, then fill out key details like current school year, grade level, and gender. You'll also answer a few questions that help us personalize your strategy, like whether you're a first-generation college student, your family income range, and residency status. Once you've completed everything on this screen, click Save and Continue to move on. Remember, the more accurate your profile, the more tailored and effective your recommendations will be. Next, let's fill in your education details so we can assess your academic background accurately. Start by entering your school name, city, and country. Then add your class size and, if available, your class rank. Enter both your unweighted GPA and weighted GPA, and confirm your school's GPA scale. Most use a 4.0 scale. These numbers help the system understand your academic performance and context, especially how you compare to peers in your class. Once you've completed this section, you're ready to move on to testing. In this section, enter your standardized test scores to help match you with colleges aligned to your strengths. If you've taken the SAT, fill in your reading and writing and math scores, and note how many times you've taken the test. If you've taken the ACT, you can add your scores for math, English, reading, and science. You can also add AP test scores by selecting the test and entering your score. If you haven't taken a test yet, no worries. You can input a target score to simulate your profile and see how that score impacts your college recommendations. When you're done, click Save and Continue. Now it's time to share what matters most to you in a college. Pick your preferred country, region, and academic interests, like business, engineering, or the arts. Then select what you value: campus culture, program strength, financial aid, or student body size. You can even add a personal note, like dancing is critical to my student life. This helps us find schools that truly fit you. Click Save and Continue when you're ready. In this section, you'll list any honors or awards you've received, from academic distinctions like honor roll or national merit to extracurricular recognitions in sports, arts, or leadership. Start by entering the title of the award, the grade level you received it, and how widely it was recognized, whether that's at the school, regional, state, or national level. Colleges want to see what sets you apart. These awards help demonstrate your impact, commitment, and excellence. If you have more than one, click the plus icon to add additional achievements, then hit Save and Continue to move forward. Now it's your chance to show colleges who you are outside the classroom. List your top 10 most impactful extracurriculars, such as clubs, sports, music, competitions, internships, or volunteer work. For each activity, enter your role, the organization name, and the grade level you participated. Then, write a 150-character summary of your accomplishments or recognition. This helps colleges quickly understand your impact. Keep it specific. For example, quote, organized school fundraiser raising $3,000, or quote, placed top 10 in national coding competition. You'll also enter how many hours per week and weeks per year you participated. When you're done, click Submit My Profile to unlock your profile assessment and personalized recommendations. The profile assessment is your personalized admissions snapshot. It highlights your academic strengths, extracurricular impact, and areas to grow, all based on your unique profile. You'll get a readiness score across categories like academic fit, career alignment, and application strength, plus expert insights to help you stand out. Whether you're aiming for top-tier schools or refining your story, this assessment gives you a clear starting point and a strategy to move forward. Not sure what to major in? DreamCollege.ai's AI-powered major recommendation analyzes your profile to match you with 7 best fit majors based on your strengths, interests, and long-term goals. Each major comes with a clear overview, a personalized fit analysis to show how well you align, and a practical guide on how to build the skills you need, including recommended courses, activities, and projects. It's the smartest way to explore your options, discover what fits you best, and take confident steps toward your future. Not sure where to apply? DreamCollege AI's Build College List feature curates a personalized mix of likely, target, and reach schools based on your academic profile, major, and preferences. But it's more than just a list. Am I a good fit analyzes not only your academics, like GPA and test scores, but also your leadership, extracurricular strengths, and even culture fit, so you know where you truly belong. Financial fit analysis breaks down cost, aid, and value, helping you apply where success is both possible and affordable. In just one click, you'll move from guessing to strategizing. Start building your dream college list today. Dream College AI doesn't just show you your odds, it helps you improve them. The Increase My Chance feature gives personalized, college-specific tips to strengthen your application, from adding major-aligned experiences like internships and competitions, to improving your essays and leadership impact. It's like having an admissions strategist in your pocket, guiding you to stand out at even the most selective schools. Apply smarter, compete stronger, get in. Not sure which extracurriculars will impress colleges? With Dream College AI's Explore Activities tool, you'll get personalized recommendations tailored to your major, strengths, and even dream schools, from leadership roles and competitions to research projects, volunteering, and even selective summer camps. Whether you want to stand out in business, STEM, or the arts, we help you take strategic action so your activities truly boost your admissions chances. No guesswork, just smart, guided moves toward your dream college. Paying for college shouldn't be a burden. Dream College AI's AI-powered scholarship finder matches you with scholarships that best fit your profile, achievements, and leadership story. From highly achievable national awards like Coca-Cola Scholars to strong fit opportunities tailored just for you. Each recommendation comes with a personalized Increase My Chance strategy, including essay prompts, action plans, and who to ask for recommendation letters, so you can apply with confidence and stand out. Not sure how to tell your story in a way that stands out? Dream College AI helps you write a clear, powerful summary that highlights your strengths, passions, and goals, all in your own voice. It's perfect for college essays, applications, and interviews. One statement that ties it all together and shows schools who you really are. Not sure what to write about? DreamCollege AI's essay tutor helps you find the perfect story to tell. Just click Spark My Topics, and we'll generate creative, personalized essay ideas based on your real experiences and passions. Each topic comes with a breakdown of why it works and tips to make your story shine, so you can start strong and write with confidence. Writing your college essay doesn't have to feel overwhelming. Our AI essay writer breaks it down into 6 clear steps, from picking your story to crafting your final draft. You'll get expert tips, examples, and space to reflect as you go, so your voice comes through naturally every step of the way. DreamCollege AI's built-in AI detector gives you peace of mind by checking your essay for AI-generated patterns. It helps ensure your writing sounds genuine, personal, and student-authored, so you can confidently submit essays that reflect your voice, not a machine's. You've taken the first steps. Now it's time to go further. Unlock more features, get deeper insights, and turn your college dreams into a plan. Let DreamCollege AI be your edge. Please keep building and exploring. Your dream college will come true.